Hi there, here's a quick video. This is a 2015 Toyota Highlander. The problem we had was this thing came free. The lock still worked and the outer door latch worked, but this was completely free running. The problem was the old cable, this one here, had shorn off. That's the one that ends in the green there. So we've ordered a replacement cable. There's the part number 69710 0E050. It's about 30 bucks. We've got the ball on the end, which goes into the handle side of it. And right now, here's the old part in here that had the cable sheared off. That's the new one we're gonna put in here. You just gotta, it comes out at an angle with a bit of needle nose pliers. What did I learn along the way? Well, we've got 5 cables that came unplugged that we had to disconnect. These 2 that plug into this guy, and you just use a plastic trim remover tail. The tool, this comes out pretty easy. 3 screws to get the assembly off. This guy down here, don't forget about that one, else you'll break the little bulb off. And then one last one up here. I'm not sure if I needed to pull that out or not. 3 screws brought the assembly out. You did need to actually loosen this guy, this bolt here, which is a 10 mil bolt, to get this guy, to get the assembly out. So hopefully that'll go on okay. And then I wasn't sure about this bar. I've seen a lot of people online taking this rod out. Now, this rod is still in situ. I never actually got it out of there, so we'll see if I can get it back together. But I'll let you know in the comments how this all went and what I learned along the way.